Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, June 25th, 2018. Very comfortable this morning with temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s in the New York City metro, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Philadelphia metro, where a northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Clear skies are in place with high pressure taking control. On the surface map, our frontal boundaries pushing off the coast and well out to sea, with high pressure taking control, leading to tranquil weather conditions for today. Not much going on the radar, pretty much high and dry over the region, and on the infrared satellite picture, clear skies, but just a few clouds here and there are in place moving through. That's pretty much about it. Let's dive into this forecast for today. High pressure and complete control with scattered cloud cover to clear skies. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to lower 80s over much of the region, lower to mid 70s on Long Island. For tonight, look for scattered cloud cover to clear skies. Look for temperatures to fall into the upper 50s for lows. For tomorrow afternoon, scattered cloud cover is expected with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s throughout the region. A few 80-degree temperatures may show up in a few urban areas. Otherwise, tranquil weather conditions with winds from the northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. On Wednesday, the high pressure system pushes further out into the Atlantic and a warm front approaches from the southwest. Dry conditions for much of the day. Watch out for some locally dense fog in the morning and increasing clouds through the day. Temperatures on Wednesday range from the lower 60s for lows, upper 70s to lower 80s for highs. Do expect a few showers to approach the region by the time we get to the late evening hours and overnight period. On Thursday, that warm front will be moving through the region. Now, what's interesting is that as the warm front is looking northward, this cold front will really lose its punch, and basically it's going to start to wash out. So what you have here is basically instigation, kind of like a trough lingering around the region. So the warm front lifts northward with showers and thunderstorms. Temperatures on Thursday will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows. In the New York City metro, look for high temperatures in the mid-70s. However, in the Philadelphia metro, where the warm front will be moving through faster, look for highs in the upper 70s to lower 80s. On Friday, now here again is where things kind of get interesting. This frontal boundary becomes more of a trough, and as a result, there's going to be a threat for a few isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon. But the main story is going to be the increase in humidity and temperatures. Look for lows in the upper 60s, highs in the lower to mid 80s on Long Island, mid to upper 80s everywhere else, possibly touching 90 degrees in a few locations in urban areas. On Saturday, hot and humid weather conditions will start to take hold. This high pressure system will generally be the dominant feature for the weather pattern, with this frontal boundary being more of a weak trough over the region. So again, there will be a threat for a few isolated thunderstorms in the afternoon and evening hours. There will be a mix of sun and clouds, with temperatures ranging, into the mid to upper 60s for lows and upper 80s to lower 90s for much of the region. Lower to mid 80s on Long Island, with more of a southwesterly component coming off the Atlantic. It will be humid. It will feel uncomfortable. On Sunday, same scenario, high pressure and control for the most part. A weak trough may produce an isolated thunderstorm. Watch out for morning fog and some mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon. Now, high temperatures are going to range from the upper 60s to lower 70s for lows, and high temperatures will range from the lower to mid 80s on Long Island, upper 80s to lower 90s on the immediate New Jersey coast and Connecticut coast, and then lower to mid 90s everywhere else. Watch out for that heat index. On Monday, same scenario as Sunday, high pressure and control. Can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm in the afternoon or evening. Also watch out for morning fog. Look for lows in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and look for highs in the lower to mid 80s on Long Island, upper 80s to lower 90s along the rest of the coast, and lower to mid 90s in your urban areas. That is your forecast discussion for today. Definitely be prepared for, at the very least, hot and humid weather conditions for the end of this week on through this upcoming weekend and towards the 4th of July period. But the good news is that this hot weather pattern is not going to last. So enjoy it while you can if you like that type of weather. And as always, stay safe out there.